Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, just got a quick cruise news story for you because we have another cruise line that sails here from the United States. Well, they have dropped the pre-cruise test requirement. So, Virgin Voyages, they have announced that they are going to be dropping the pre-cruise test requirement in both Europe and here in the United States. Now, Virgin Voyages currently has 2 ships. So starting on July 24th, the Valiant Lady, which sails from Europe, will no longer require pre-cruise testing. And on July 27th, the Scarlet Lady, which currently sails from the United States, will also no longer have a pre-cruise testing requirement. Now, Virgin Voyages is going to be keeping the fully vaccinated requirement. However, they have also announced that they are going to allow 10% of the passengers on board to be unvaccinated. So 10% unvaccinated passengers on sailings here in the United States. And if you want to book on Virgin Voyages and you are unvaccinated, you'll just need to contact the Virgin Voyages Sailor Services, which basically call Virgin Voyages, let them know you're unvaccinated, you want to be one of the 10%, and they'll take care of you that way. So Virgin Voyages now joins Azamara, which sails from Miami, no longer requiring a pre-cruise test. So, question is, who's going to be next? Who is going to be the big one to finally take the jump? Will it be someone from the Carnival Corporation, Carnival Cruise Lines, Princess Cruise Lines, Holland America? Will it be over on the Royal Caribbean side? Will it be Royal Caribbean? Will it be Celebrity? Still waiting to see which one of the big ones is going to be first. But just out of curiosity, put in the comments below, who do you think is going to be the first big, one of the biggies, Norwegian Cruise Lines, to officially take this jump and join Azamara and Virgin Voyages with not requiring pre-cruise testing? All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. We'll let you know anytime we have a new video coming out. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.